Your TCL Roku TV turns on, but the screen stays black, with or without sound. In this video, I will show you safe and simple step-by-step troubleshooting you can do at home to fix the TCL Roku TV black screen issue. Let's start with a power cycle, because this is the easiest and most effective fix. Unplug your TCL Roku TV from the wall outlet and disconnect all HDMI cables and any other external devices. While the TV is unplugged, press and hold the physical power button on the TV for about 30 seconds. After that, wait at least 60 seconds. Once the time is up, plug the TV directly into a wall socket and turn it on to check if the black screen is gone. Next, let's check the HDMI cables and input source. Make sure all HDMI cables are properly connected to the TV. If you can, try using a different HDMI port. It's also important to test the TV with no external devices connected at all. Use the remote to change the input source and see if the picture shows up on any input. Now we'll do a quick flashlight test to check the backlight. Turn the TV on and use the flashlight on your phone. Hold the light close to the screen at an angle, not straight on. While doing this, try to open the Roku menu. If you notice a very faint image on the screen, that usually means the backlight is the issue. After that, we'll try a system restart using the Roku remote. On the remote, press the home button 5 times, then press up once, then press rewind 2 times, and fast forward 2 times. Once you do this, wait and allow the TV to restart by itself. If you can see the menu, the next thing to check is the picture and backlight settings. Go into Settings, then TV, and then Picture Settings. Increase the backlight and brightness levels, and also check if any extreme power saving option is turned on and disable it if needed. As a last option, you can do a factory reset. Find the small reset pinhole button on the back or side of the TV. Make sure the TV is powered on, then press and hold that button for about 20 to 30 seconds. Just keep in mind that this will erase all settings and accounts on the TV. That's it for this video on fixing the TCL Roku TV black screen issue. I hope these step-by-step troubleshooting methods helped you get your picture back. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy and practical tech fixes. If you have any questions or one of these steps worked for you, feel free to share it in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.